In this tutorial, we're going to install Home Assistant on an Ubuntu 16.04 virtual machine. To start the installation, I have gone to the Home Assistant website, which is homeassistant.io, and here you have the installation instructions to install using Python on a virtual machine. So since I already have my virtual machine set up and this is running Ubuntu 16.04, we can follow the steps here. Python 3 is already installed on here, and we can confirm that it's the version of Python by typing Python 3 -- version, and we'll see that we have Python version 3.5.2, and as noted up here at the top of the page, you need to have at least Python version 3.5. Alright, the first thing that we're going to need to do is to update the packages on our Ubuntu server. So we're going to run sudo apt-get update sudo apt-get upgrade -y, and if prompted for your super user or root credentials, enter those at this time. Alright, now that we've completed installing the updates, we will check the Python version. So you do Python 3 -- version, and we'll see that we have Python version 3.5.2 installed, and now we'll install Python pip. So you do sudo apt-get install Python 3 -pip, and we'll hit Y when prompted, and this will install the Python package manager. Alright, now that our installation has completed, we can now install Home Assistant, and we'll do that by doing Python -m pip install Home Assistant. Just need to type Python 3, not Python. And now it will go and download all the necessary files associated with Home Assistant to be installed using Python. Alright, and now that the installation has completed, we can manually start Home Assistant using the command listed under step 7. So type has --open UI. And we'll see that output is being generated directly to the screen. And it may take some time to fully start. And once it has completed, we will go into the browser and type a server name, which is Home Automation, and then port 8123. So after tweaking it shortly, I realized that Home Assistant does not immediately start up. It's finding some of the devices on my network, including my Plex server, as you see here, and it also found, it appears, my Roku device as well, and also the channels that I have set up on my Roku device. So I'm assuming it's taking a scan of the entire network to find the devices and automatically set up the handling of those devices, including like the APIs or bindings. So let's see if we can navigate to the port now and get a response. Alright, so the port now works, and you have officially completed the setup of Home Assistant. If this video has been helpful, please like and don't forget to subscribe. Also, click the bell notification to get notified when new videos are posted to the Almost Engineer channel. Thank you for watching.